right, so we're getting country today. We're going country today with this dance. It's called Ready for It. It is super awesome. It's not a new dance. It's a pretty cool classic, kind of a 2-year-old, but we love it right now. So we're going to learn it. It's actually an improver, 48 counts, only 2 walls, back and forth, and no tags, no restarts, but lots of stomping. So yes, you need boots. So let's do it. So we're going to start with a hop to the front. You're going to hop forward and you hold. You're going to do a little bit of circles with your hips, around and around. You're going to go back. You're going to circle with the hips. You're going to do point with your right. Cross point, open point, cellular back. 1, 2, 3. You're going to cross point, open point, your cellular step. Now here is a fun one. You're going to stomp, turn right. So you can do it 2 ways. So stomp and, right? Or you can do just grind and turn, whatever is easier for you. I always like to give you easy. So stomp, turn, coaster, stomp, turn, coaster. So now we're going to do here a actual rocking chair, rocks forward, back. And now a paddle to the left, which is your 2 little hip rolls. Step touch as you turn. Okay, now here comes the fun stomping. So you're going to stomp to the right, cellular back. 1, 2, 3. Stomp side, cellular back. Now you're going to do a rocking chair here and 4 stomps with your right as you turn quarter turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the dance is done. Now I'm going to show you some modifications that you can add for the fun of it, which is a lot of stomping and kicking and arms and all that kind of good stuff, all right? So here, let's go from the beginning again. So again, these are modifications. You can do or not do, whatever makes you happy. As you hop forward, as I say, your options are to go right, left, or boom, you can just do a double hop there. As you go forward, you're going to do your grind. Make it fun, all right? Use your hands to go around. You're going to hop back. Same thing, little grind. Okay. Now, when it comes to your toe, your point with your toes, you got that toe, toe. As you do your cellular, you go backwards. Cross point, open, cellular back. As I mentioned here, you can do stump, kick, coaster, stump, kick, coaster. The modification again is grind the heel, turn right, coaster back, grind your heel, turn left, coaster. Either way. All right. So here we're going to do a rocking chair. We all know that. Rocks forward, right, and back. And your 2 little hip rolls, 2 of those into your left. Now here it goes. As we stomp to the right, you want to really get that effect if you want to. So you stomp to the right. You want to cellular back. You stomp to the left. Cellular back. Now here, your rocking chair, you have the 2 stumps, stump, stump, and back. Optional or just rocking chair, right? Stump, stump, and back. Or you can also do 2 half turns or your 2 pivots, right? It's a rocking chair. So rocking chair, you can have 2 pivots in there. And then when it comes to the stomping with your right, I mean, stomp, 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 stomp. You really want to stomp that to the side. You also have the option to spin crazy. So stomp, 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 stomp. You'll see some people doing that. Totally optional. So there it is. Now let's do it with a count. Woo! Got me dizzy. All right, let's go with a count. 5, 6, 7, and jump. So 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, toe cross, and a 1, 2, cellular 3 and 4 with the left, and cellular back 7 and 8. 1, turn 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and hips, 5, 6, 7 and stomp. Stomp back 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and start again. 1, 2, 3 and back. 5, 6, 7 toe point. 1, 2 cellular 3 and 4. Point 5, 6, 7 and stomp, kick right, and coaster. And 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. Hip roll goes for 5, 6, 7, and 8. And stomp. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well, you know how it works. Put this video a few times, practice, practice, practice. And when you think you're ready, which you're going to be, dance with me with the music and do it a few times, and then we do it in class. See ya.